Hi everybody, it's Robin and I'm here with Nameless. I'm going to do flames today for spring. I have neon pink, orange, and yellow, a little bit of black, and some white. My white is thinned down here, and I'm thinning down all of my acrylic craft paints with water using a regular mister and starting this design. So this is for short nails. I'm going into the white acrylic paint with my brush. You can get them at robinmosesnailart.com. It'll be linked at the end of this video. So this one I'm not going to do. This one I'm going to do. Okay. So we're going to do flames. I'm going to pull from the bottom up to the side and let go. Push and pull up to the side. Let go. And then kind of seam it around so that it becomes a circle right there. Start down low and then pull up and let go, up, let go. This is absolutely a technique that takes a long time to learn, but once you learn it, it's always with you, and you can add flames to anything. You can put them inside fireplaces, you can put them on the sides of things, you can put anything you want to on fire, and any size. So it is a good thing to learn. And I'm gonna go like this.
Especially when you have somebody who loves flames.
Yes. How you doing?
I'm alright.
I've missed you.
I know, dude.
Oh, we have fun.
Sometimes too much fun.
Exactly. We don't want to get anything else done. So I'm gonna, this is, okay, so what I'm doing basically is just putting a white foundation. You can do it as simple or as intricate as you wish. Mine is pretty intricate this time, but you can go just with one little bloop on each nail and it would be perfect. So now that the white is on, when you're done, it's gonna look like this. I have another coat just so that it's all nice and white. Now I have my jelly out. This jelly I made with neon yellow and clear polish. I show you how to make jellies in my beginner nail playlist. It just says how to make jellies and there's a big long nail. So the jellies I use all year for everything, always. And it's just a way to go over the nail and give it a little bit of color like that. Now you can do 2, 3, 4 coats of jelly and that would be fine. I don't even know if you can see that. Let me try and get some light out. Carl, no! Ah. Yeah, you can see it better. So that's a little bit jelly. This is with another coat. Okay, now you can do it that way, or, which I will for all of them, but wherever you need it to be brighter, go in with the acrylic paints right here. The jelly is polish. Okay, so here it is with paint. Okay, so I'm just going to touch in to the top and see, you can, there's all different ways that you can add in to this flame to make it better. So I was just trying to show you different products that you can use that aren't, you know, regular. That's that. Okay, so then the orange goes down. Now I'm going to add more water to the orange, so it's just really, really thin. The thinner the better. You can make more mistakes. See, like that? And then a little tiny, oh, my end frame, there we go. Then with pink, I'm gonna go down and see, because it's over the yellow, it's showing like a peachy neon, which is cool. See, so that's how I will do it, and I will finish it out and I'll meet you back. Okay, so lastly, I have the black, and it's way, way thinned down to almost like water. And I'm gonna take just spin it on my finger, then with the touch, the most lightest touch, just go to one side of the nail and touch down and push towards the end. And you do not have to add this step when you top coat. It will blend everything just fine. This just makes it stand out a little more, and it also sharpens your lining skills. So if you like to line things, this is a good way to practice because it makes all the lines perfect. So I'm going to go, am I in line? Okay. So I'm going to go in, dot, 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 push, and then push around, push, push around, push, push, turn my brush, dot. I'm just going to just dot it in here, and then just kind of dot it in there. And if you want to go around the other side, just real quickly. When it's done, it'll look like this. I'm going to top coat it, and I'll meet you back with the finished nails. Okay, so here is the end result. Let me zoom out. Okay, so here they are. And I'm going to let you show as I speak. Good?
Yep.
Yeah, because then you can go as high as you want to. And does that look more glowy?
Yeah, I like it. Just like that. That's good.
Okay, good. Okay, so anyways, you guys, everything that I used was I used Dazzle Dry Peacefully Me as the base. I just used regular acrylic craft paint in pink, yellow, and orange. And this is just a technique and a lot of practice.
Oh man, there we are.
There you go.
Try to show the thumbs, but I'm backwards.
I know it's hard because they go in and out of, but they still end up looking great when I edit. So anyways, if you copy them, please say inspired by Robin Moses, and make sure that I see, and that you just do the kind thing and spread the word of who inspires you. Anyways, I'll be back with more, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.